Hello everyone and welcome to Investing Angles. Thanks for tuning in. As we approach the final trading days of 2024, the markets are showing a mixed and uncertain picture. And this includes silver. Technically, those who discovered our channel in the middle of October should be safe right now, as silver already lost 17%. And it's interesting to watch other channels and accounts that still advocate silver to go higher. Well, silver is just very close to turning bearish and entering the bear market. Well, let's have a look today what silver is telling us and what are the technical perspective for the silver. We'll evaluate it from different angles, from the candlesticks perspective, from technical analysis perspective, and also from the Elliott Wave perspective. Well, let's move on. This is silver. This is the daily frame and this is the candles. Alright, so silver is 17.33% off the top, which it hit in October. So far what we are seeing, silver on Friday it got strong rejection at 200 days moving average, which is a red line, and it is moving down right now. Formed bearish engulfing on Friday, and well, today so far it is bearish, and we don't know how deep would it go. The path is open right now. What I would like to bring to your attention is this concern. So this is potential flip of the bearish cross. It's going to be a bearish cross, 50 over 100 daily moving averages. Well, that will definitely a signal of a beginning of a bear market. Well, how deep would it go? That's still a mystery, but we will try to evaluate it from different perspectives, something that we can touch and feel. So this is the 15-day. This is the 15-day candles that will be closing tomorrow. So far, it's been a big bearish harami, another one opposing candle, and now we are seeing a big confirmation. So in order to reverse this, silver needs to make at least 6.5% tomorrow. Is it possible? Well, it's possible. But what about doability? What about probability? This is a big question. I would say that given all technical considerations that we are looking at, the probability of such a move is very low. And well, we have to be prepared for the worst. This is the next frame. This one is the weekly one, which was one of the first signals that helped us to understand where the silver is going. So this is three black crows that we identified back in October, November, and what we are seeing right now, the 8x20 EMA bearish cross, and the chances for a loss of 50-week moving average are fairly high. It might happen even this week. And this is the biggest concern of all, the last one. Let me open it fully. We already discussed it earlier in the digest, in the weekly digest that we posted yesterday. This is a big one, 40-minute watch, but it covers all indices, Elliott waves, candlesticks, sectors, multiple stocks, and many more. Volatility index, by the way, and everything that we outlined on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday over the weekend in our weekly reports. So this is silver. This is 2 months closure. Technically, right now, it's already bearish engulfing. If silver bulls don't do anything tomorrow, it will close like this. So this would be similar, technically I already discussed this, this would be technically similar to what we've seen in 2011. The only thing that if it closes like a bearish engulfing, it will be even worse from a technical and candlestick perspective. So what happened in 2011, we all know it was 9 years of losses and a 76% loss from the peak to true, which happened on March 20. And we can see that silver found support at 200, well, technically it's 400 months moving average. Will it happen this time? We don't know. But the chances are fairly significant at the moment. If it happens, silver will lose about 50% of its value over at least several years. That's the possibility for the move right now. How long will it take? That's still a question, but the chances are fairly high. At least if the closure is like this, we would see the next 2 months of declines. All right, so let's move on and see what is happening with Elliott waves. So this is our major Elliott wave, and just to remind everyone, we called this ending diagonal back in October 23rd, and we said that silver is going down towards 26. Well, silver is still at 28, and the chances of it going lower are fairly high. It is approaching our first target of 28.23, which is the lucky scenario, ABC formation here. However, if it breaks below 26.4, all paths down will be open, and this would be a fairly significant move. Read our reports, weekly reports. We will do, especially the several last ones, where we discuss all the possible paths and also the probabilities and the technical developments around silver. All right, so that's the big path on the micro path. What we are seeing right now is a possibility of a development of a bigger impulse here. Well, will it happen? We don't know yet, but so far it is following our path that we projected right here. This is December 12th. So far, so good. Let's move on. And this is the momentum that we are watching closely. After a weekly MACD cross, silver made a 10-day MACD cross here at the beginning of December, and today it is forming a 15-day MACD cross. Well, it's an escalation definitely, and if bulls don't do anything, this will be a recorded feature, and this will be a huge escalation from the previous one, like the weekly or 10-day frames. Well, that's about the momentum. Let's have a look at SLV Silver Trust. So a few weeks ago we identified this potential feature, the head and shoulders formation, and it looks like it's been confirmed. And what we are seeing is the potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an impulse down. Well, the formation goes this way, and this is the target for it, like the minimum target. It can go lower. So far, we are seeing this as a potential impulse, and if silver makes it here, it could potentially make wave 2 of after wave 1 before making it lower. However, at this point, we cannot reject also this possibility. So this could be wave 1 of of an impulse. This could be wave 2. Let me put it this way so that you can see a possible option. So this could be wave 1 and this could be wave 2. So if this is the case, then we are right now witnessing wave 3 being developed, and in this case it will go much lower. 23.29 would be like an interim target for this type of wave, for this development. And again, if let's return to the candles. If we look at the monthly candles for SLV, we are seeing a big bearish engulfing in November, and this December candle will just confirm a reversal on the bearish engulfing. Well, it will be very unfortunate news for bulls, especially for those who bought recently, but it is what it is. Well, the chances for a bearish closure are fairly high for silver, and we need to get prepared for the worst. Well, follow us on Twitter, follow us on YouTube, and if you have a chance, you can also subscribe as a reader for our website, and you will get occasional free information. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day and happy trading.